What's going on, guys? It's Cody from Reject Built. Messing around in the garage, and I'm doing some little rinky-dink stuff. So I'm gonna kind of bring you along for a little bit, see what I'm doing. Might not be a long video, but we'll see where it goes. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take a scuff pad, whatever. I'm gonna scuff. We'll clean this off. This is a timing gear cover for my LS engine, and then valve cover. I'm gonna clean them up because clearly you can see this one is kind of all dirty and oily and stuff. This one I'm kind of done up a little bit, and then this is a LS2 timing cover that I'm going to clean up to put on my engine for what I currently have right here. So I have cover, valve springs, timing gear, chromoly push rods, and then an LS9 cam gear that's going in that bad boy. So eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably clean that up, clean the oil pan up, maybe spray them, I'm not sure, but eventually we're going to get there. So just for the time being, I'm trying to have this look down on it. Might not be the best of angles, but I'm just trying to clean up a little bit. I need a smaller bit. Well, smaller head, I should say, but let me turn this down. There we go. So, I mean, kind of see what I'm going for. I'm not really cleaning them up, but and I got the drill turned way down, so just a little bit here and there. Now I gotta replace this pad because, well, they don't last long. Go with this black one. See what this black one does. So I'm gonna be done with this one for right now because I gotta get a smaller head for right here and right here. I might be able to get some purple power or something and clean them up that way. Pull valve spring. The valve cover bolts out, and let's just see what it does. And eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to hopefully showcase building this engine for my Tahoe. Turn it up to 5. And I'll be the first to tell you guys right now, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just messing around, I guess you should say. say this, always wear some type of protection. You see I have a glove on. I just want to give a big, huge shout out to my buddy Gary, my tuner, I should say, for having extras in his garage or his shop and selling me the cam. Because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be able to buy it. I wouldn't have the cam. Plan is eventually to paint this stuff. Color wise, I'm not sure, probably most likely blue. Yeah, there's definitely no install videos going on for this right now. This is just me kind of messing around in the garage, and I figured why not make a video in the process. And that black tip is showing so much better. Pull the cam sensor out, maybe. Like I said, maybe I'll pull the cam sensor out. There we go. So with the LS9 cam on my engine, you need to run a LS2 timing cover and cam sensor, because I guess the way the cams read in these on the LS9, it reads differently. I don't know. So he sold me this along with the cam. I'll probably get a hold of my brother at some point, see if I can't get probably get him to sandblast this. where a vise would come in handy. There's some gasket makers still on this, so what I'm going to do, always be careful when doing this, using this kind of stuff right here. This razor blade is very sharp, very new. I'm doing this strictly just to get the excess, well, the old gasket maker off of it. Try not to score anything. You just want to scrape it off to the point where it's not there no more. And then now I'll use the drill to clean it up. So like right here, you want to get that off there. So when I do go to install it, there's no old gasket maker still in place. And if you use a sharp razor blade, it comes off like hot knife through a butter. So we'll put that over there. And you see what it looks like now. There's some little excess still laying around, but overall, very smooth like. This one's dying out on me, so we're going to try to switch to see if this orange one works really well. And I don't think the orange is actually doing that much work to it right now, so I'm gonna put that off to the side. See how the red one does. So overall, doesn't look bad. So now, for the most part, I'm done. I can't really do much else with them. I have the wrong drill bit, well, pad, I should say, for what I'm trying to do. So it'll most likely be either hand or take it to get it sandblasted, which shouldn't be too hard to do. So right now, I'm kind of done. Thank you for joining me in this journey. This is just step one, part one, to a long list of stuff that's going to happen between the engine and the truck. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram at reject_built on Instagram. Use the hashtag reject_built on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. It doesn't matter. Use the hashtag for that. And that's really all I got. So thank you again, and have a great day.